growth often happens outside our comfort zones. So, how has CLA or your involvement challenged you to think bigger about your business or your role as a leader in the laundry space?
Yeah, I love this question so much. I think CLA really challenged me to stop thinking like an operator and really start thinking like an industry leader. Being around people who have multiple stores or who are using technology and innovation to really scale their business really allowed me and my husband and I to expand our uh, perspective in terms of what is possible. And I think that's, I think it's very easy to be siloed and to be just doing, the thing. And especially for 20 years, like you can get kind of in a rut. So like anything that we can be a part of that helps us think about things differently, whether it's AI or technology or processes, systems, tools that just are helpful. Like those are all things that we have learned by being associated with CLA, which I'm super grateful for.
Um, how about you next, Kenny? How has CLA challenged you to think bigger, either about the business or your role as a leader in the industry?
Absolutely. So it definitely challenges me on a regular basis. I mean, I came into this just thinking about my numbers and how I could be an effective salesperson. And since then, I've learned so much about the industry, something that, I never anticipated knowing as much as I do now in a year and a half, being brand new to it. So that was amazing. But all the experiences, the people that you talk to, they just really help you out, and it makes you be better at your job, but also, collectively everyone be better because you're bouncing ideas off of one another. You're understanding what people that have been in the industry for 20 plus years have struggled with and how to avoid those pitfalls because people are so welcoming with their knowledge. And, for me personally, I get to use it as a benefit and build on it when I have sales conversations. So I find it to be extremely effective. But also, when I talk to new folks, I can kind of utilize that as leaving little bits and pieces of information for them to think about because guaranteed, if they're new to the industry, they've never thought about certain key things. And so I think just the conversations themselves help everyone as a whole.
Catherine, do you have anything to add about how CLA may have challenged you to think bigger about your business?
Yeah, it was interesting. I laughed when Monica said, even some of the guys are okay too. Because what I have seen at the different events that I've been to is that women, a reminder that women bring something to the space that men do not bring. And to really lean into that and lean into my abilities as a woman and as a leader to bring a different way of being. I mean, my laundromat is, I guarantee you, not like most. I didn't even call it a laundromat because it's like a laundromat, but a whole lot better and way more fun. That is actually our tagline. Because
I like that.
I leaned into what I bring to it as a woman. So it really has a different feel and a different flavor. And so for me, that's the thing is like CLA has made it obvious that I want to do that and how I want to do that and what are ways that I can take the best of the stuff that the guys have been doing for however long they've been doing it, and also what can I bring to the table that will change it and elevate it.
Yeah. And you're right. I would say a woman perspective might be a little bit different on what's important in the business or how you want to run your business.
I mean,
Definitely.
just having a kids area has been a game changer, like huge. And it's not even that impressive of a kids area. It's just a kids area. And we bring in tons of customers that like everybody who has kids tells their friends who have kids. And And everybody's like, I just can't tell you. We're the only laundromat in the area that has one. I
Gives
built the laundromat I wanted as a mom. Like that's it.
right.
Right.
You knew like that's what you would want. Your kids
Correct.
entertained, so you can do the laundry.
Yeah, exactly. Like give them some Duplos, give them some books, have an area, right? So that things like that. Like they don't have to be huge. They just have to be what would I want as a woman in a laundromat, not just what do I want as a moneymaker or as a whatever.